Combining industrial style with modern minimalist living rooms. In the ever-evolving world of interior design, the combination of industrial and modern minimalist styles has emerged as a popular trend. This fusion creates a unique aesthetic that balances raw, rugged elements with clean, sleek lines. Here's how you can combine industrial style with modern minimalist living rooms to create a space that is both functional and visually appealing. Understanding industrial style. Industrial style draws inspiration from old factories and industrial spaces. It is characterized by the use of raw materials, exposed structures, and a utilitarian approach to design. Key elements include exposed brick and concrete. Walls often feature exposed brick or concrete, adding a sense of ruggedness and authenticity to the space. Metal accents. Metal is a dominant material in industrial design. From steel beams to metal furniture, these elements add a sturdy and robust feel. Open spaces. Industrial design favors open floor plans, often with high ceilings and large windows to create an airy and spacious environment. Functional furniture. The furniture is typically simple and functional, with a focus on durability and practicality. Embracing modern minimalism. Modern minimalism is all about simplicity, clean lines, and a clutter-free environment. This style emphasizes functionality and the use of neutral colors. Key characteristics include neutral color palette. Whites, blacks, and grays dominate the color scheme, creating a calm and serene atmosphere. Simple, clean lines. Furniture and decor feature sleek, clean lines without excessive ornamentation. Open, airy spaces. Similar to industrial style, minimalism favors open spaces to enhance the sense of flow and light. Less is more. Minimalism emphasizes quality over quantity, with a focus on a few well-chosen pieces. Blending industrial and minimalist styles. Combining industrial and minimalist styles involves merging the raw, edgy elements of industrial design with the clean, serene aspects of minimalism. Here's how you can achieve this balance in your living room. 1. Use a neutral color palette with industrial accents. Start with a neutral color palette as your base. Whites, grays, and blacks should dominate the space. Then, introduce industrial accents like exposed brick walls or concrete floors. The neutral colors will keep the space feeling light and open, while the industrial elements add texture and interest. 2. Incorporate metal and wood. Blend metal and wood elements to create a harmonious balance. For instance, you can have a metal coffee table paired with wooden shelves. This combination adds warmth and character while maintaining the industrial aesthetic. Opt for furniture with clean lines to keep the minimalist vibe intact. 3. Open spaces with functional furniture. Both industrial and minimalist styles favor open spaces. Keep your living room layout open and uncluttered. Choose furniture that is functional and simple. A comfortable sofa with clean lines, a few well-chosen chairs, and a streamlined entertainment unit can create a cohesive look. 4. Exposed structures with minimalist decor. Highlight exposed structures like beams or ductwork, a hallmark of industrial design. Balance this with minimalist decor. Select a few statement pieces rather than cluttering the space with too many items. A large piece of abstract art, a simple rug, and a few strategically placed plants can enhance the aesthetic without overwhelming it. 5. Lighting matters. Industrial lighting fixtures, such as metal pendant lights or vintage-style bulbs, can add an industrial touch. Ensure that these fixtures are sleek and not overly ornate to maintain the minimalist feel. Natural light should also be maximized to keep the space feeling bright and airy. Final thoughts. Combining industrial style with modern minimalist living rooms results in a unique and dynamic space that is both stylish and functional. By carefully balancing raw materials with clean lines and open spaces with functional furniture, you can create a living room that reflects the best of both worlds. Embrace the rugged beauty of industrial design and the serene simplicity of minimalism to transform your living room into a modern masterpiece. Creating an industrial look in your living room involves incorporating elements that reflect the raw, utilitarian aesthetic of old factories and industrial spaces. Here are some key strategies to achieve an industrial look. 1. Exposed brick and concrete. Brick walls. If you have existing brick walls, expose them to create an authentic industrial feel. If not, consider using brick veneer or wallpaper that mimics the look of brick. Concrete elements. Incorporate concrete for floors, walls, or countertops. Polished concrete floors add a sleek, industrial touch. 2. Metal accents. Furniture. Opt for metal furniture such as steel coffee tables, iron shelving units, and metal-framed chairs. Lighting. Use industrial-style lighting fixtures like pendant lights with metal shades, Edison bulb chandeliers, or vintage factory lights. Hardware. Choose metal hardware for cabinets and doors, such as iron handles and hinges. 3. Wood and metal combinations. Furniture. Select pieces that combine wood and metal, like a wooden table with metal legs or a metal-framed bookshelf with wooden shelves. Decor. Incorporate wooden elements like reclaimed wood accent walls, wooden crates, and wooden picture frames. 4. Open layout. Space planning. Keep the layout open and spacious to reflect the airy feel of industrial spaces. Avoid clutter and use furniture sparingly. Furniture arrangement. Arrange furniture to create clear pathways and maintain an open flow. 5. Neutral color palette. Colors. Stick to a neutral color scheme with shades of gray, black, white, and brown. These colors create a clean, modern look that complements industrial elements. Accent colors. Add pops of color sparingly with accessories like cushions, rugs, or artwork. 6. Functional and simple furniture. Design. Choose furniture with simple, clean lines and a focus on functionality. Avoid ornate or overly decorative pieces. Materials. Opt for materials like leather, metal, and wood to maintain an industrial vibe. 7. Exposed structural elements. Ceilings. If possible, expose structural elements like beams, pipes, and ductwork. This adds an authentic industrial touch. Walls. Keep walls unadorned or use materials like metal or concrete panels for a raw, unfinished look. 8. Industrial lighting. Fixtures. Use industrial-style lighting fixtures such as pendant lights with metal shades, Edison bulb chandeliers, and vintage factory lights. Lamps. Incorporate task lamps with an industrial design, like adjustable metal desk lamps or floor lamps with exposed bulbs. 9. Decor and accessories. Artwork. Choose large, bold pieces of artwork that complement the industrial theme. Abstract or black and white photography works well. Rugs. Use rugs with simple, geometric patterns or solid colors to add warmth and texture without overpowering the space. Plants. Add a few potted plants to bring life and greenery into the space, balancing the raw industrial elements. 10. Repurposed and vintage items. Furniture and decor. Incorporate repurposed or vintage items such as old factory carts, reclaimed wood tables, or vintage metal lockers. Accessories. Use vintage accessories like old typewriters, industrial clocks, and metal baskets to add character and a sense of history. By thoughtfully combining these elements, you can create a living room that embodies the rugged, utilitarian charm of industrial design.
Thanks for watching. Drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to watch more videos like this.